Good evening, good evening. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So now we are going to introduce like before the market close analysis. Is going to be just quick because the market actually changed from what we did early in the morning. So this is not going to be very long, but maybe it's gonna help few people who are following the market like non-stop, just to update you from what we did early in the morning. So before we continue that, we are going to check. I did check my news here, or let's say some economic news. Remember, tomorrow there is a CPI, and on Wednesday we're gonna have FOMC. So the market seems to be reacting to that already. The market seems to be reacting to that already. So yeah, you can even see here we have a crunch week for central banks. Will put a rate cut expectation to the test. If they do that, we're going to see the likes of Nasdaq US30s pushing to the upside, which is going to be crazy. Another thing is, yes, guys, I'm giving you a special. I'm giving you a crazy special, guys. So it's not lifetime. It's actually 6 months. Because our lifetime is actually $350, but I said I'm giving you $50, 50%. But now I'm giving you until Sunday. You can join our 6 months. Signals for $60 only. It's a limited special. You can see what we're offering. So it's Nasdaq US30 currency pairs, German 40 USOIL gold. You can just WhatsApp me. So this is actually limited special. So yeah, let's see what's really happening in the market. So on DXY, I did check DXY. If you still remember, early in the morning we did our analysis, very nice, but we did not really have any change. The market was playing around this area. So this, to me, it's good because we have CPI tomorrow. So if maybe the market wants to move and respect this resistance, that might happen very nice, and the market might respect this resistance and keep pushing to the upside, as I'm expecting that to happen. You can see that the market is actually struggling, and I like that because maybe CPI is gonna go down and we can easily buy these pairs which are going against the dollar. So let's push to the next one. Remember, I said this is going to be as quick as possible. So GBPUSD, you can see it's flying. We did talk about it early in the morning. It was around this area. Obviously, it's pushing to the upside. We did not really entertain it because the market was already away from this support area. So for me, I want to know where I can take my trades or where I can actually place my stop losses. So the best ways to do it is to stay out, but we can see that the market was doing that type of a structure, a very nice uptrend. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. You can see that the market is doing what? As we did talk early in the morning, the market is still on this uptrend. Here it's where the market was earlier, and the market was just consolidating around that. So I'm expecting the market to do it, to keep pushing up, unless if maybe the market tries to do it to break out. If the market keeps breaking, if the market breaks out of that, obviously we're gonna look for a sell. But the best thing that we can do is to wait for CPI, especially core. Core CPI is the most important one, obviously. So if it pushes lower, we will be buying the spares. If it pushes up, it means it's going to make sure that the dollar is going to go stronger, which means inflation is still flying higher, and that is going to be a different story. But for now, that's why we just need to relax. Let's relax, guys. So this pending order thing, I did send it maybe today's what? I think I did send it on Friday. The market was still around this area. You can see where the market was, so we don't really have much of a change there. So let's push to the next one. This is just a quick update, guys. This is just a quick update just to help you to see what's really happening if the market did change, especially before the news. You can see on Euro USD, we don't really have much. Yes, the market is still playing around the same area. If we checked my earlier analysis, the market was playing around here, but I like the fact that the market is struggling to break this area. So in other words, the market is now creating a zone there. Then maybe we might see the market trying to do what, to push the upside. Yes, we're still struggling with that support area, but this move here, it's good for us to say, yeah, the market created some sort of rejections there, and at the end of the day, we're gonna call that a nice structure. Then we might end up pushing up like that. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one and see what's really happening. 3:30 tomorrow, we're going to get those high impact news. I'm talking about CPI. So FOMC is gonna be a little bit late, around 9 p.m. So gold, different structure. If you still remember, I said we don't really have a proper support there. Obviously, I can see that the market is just breaking out of that support area. So you can see that the market was pushing up like that. So I can confirm that, you know what, the market just broke out. I was afraid to take that sell because tomorrow the market is already started to react to what we're going to receive tomorrow. So the market can just bounce back very quick or something like that. So it's better to stay out, especially on gold. But what I see here is the market just broke out of that. We might see a very nice push to the lower side, and you have to be careful. So let's push to the next one. US30. You can see that US30 obviously it's flying. So what do we have here? You can see that we are eating. We are actually eating. You can see that I did send a nice signal. The market broke out of this area, which we call that resistance, as the market is on an uptrend already. So we broke out of this resistance. I had a buy pending order. I sent that in the group. Obviously, my people are eating. So I'm still expecting it to push the upside, maybe to reach 36,500. You can lock your profit until maybe we see 36,700, somewhere there, you see. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside. I think it's also what the market is expecting. I think everyone is expecting to see CPI going down, and we're gonna see the likes of US30, Nasdaq, gold, S&P 500 pushing to the upside. Let's just hope that to happen. So what's really happening on the other one, which is Nasdaq? On Nasdaq, we are also eating, and I sent these signals like within before. I don't think we have 2 hours. We don't really have 2 hours on this signal. So what happened here is, as you know, we are on that uptrend. So it seems like before the market close, we will be going to the upside. Maybe the market will close higher. Obviously, the market will close very, very, very high, which is actually a very good sign. But let's hope that the market is not going to reverse tomorrow because of the news. But if you eat, let's say if you raise like 16,400, let's make sure we get out and make sure that we secure our profits. Why? We don't really have to stay in the market, especially like we don't really have to stay longer in the market, especially when there are news tomorrow. We don't know what will happen. Yes, we expect inflation to go a little bit lower or CPI to go lower, but we can't just be careless and say, oh, let's hold. No, we don't really have to do that, you see. So we just need to make sure that we get out. But we are smashing gold now. So what's really happening, guys? Please, you can join the team. 6 months. We come in 6 months is actually $150. So don't mind this, guys. Don't mind this. Don't mind this. I'm just using my old pamphlet. So for 6 months, you can join. Let me just change that color so that you can see nicely. You can join our team so that everyone can eat with us. So 6 months, join the team. Oh, what am I doing there? 6 months for only $60. So yeah, you can get this special. It's actually limited, but I'm going to hold this until weekend, until Sunday. You can just check the link below for my WhatsApp. Then you can talk to me there. So thank you very much, guys. So let's go straight to S&P 500. I think we also eating there. DAX, or sorry, not DAX. Yeah, is German 40 still pushing to the upside, but I don't really like the structure. So on S&P 500, you can see that we also eating, guys. You can see that we also eating. Or let me show you the signals that I've sent. Let me pause here. Yeah, you can see here we did send the signal. It's Nasdaq, it's S&P 500, it's also US30. This is a different group where I call it special group, so it actually receives different signals. So we also have the other one here. You can see that, oh, I sent actually late. US30, it was bit sent later, but you can see that we have Nasdaq US30 and Nasdaq S&P 500 and US30. So you can see this is it's US30 already in profit, Nasdaq already in profit, and S&P 500 already in a quite smaller profit. So all our signals are going very great. So yes, join our 6 months for only $60. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So remember, we're still going to continue with this after, like, before the market close analysis, so that we can see what's really happening, what changed, what did not really change. I think this might help. You can let me know on the comment section. So thank you very much. You can also let me know what to cover and what not to cover. So anyways, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one, actually tomorrow. Bye.